Okay, I'm out here. There's my stuff. Got my old trusty G2, and just stuck my probe in the ground. It went that far in. There is a tree. There's a part of the root is going through there, but that's encouraging right there. The fact I can go that far in. Again, this is near where I found that English ironstone. That's a root. But ooh, that sounded like glass piece. So I might dig a hole right here and see what we come up with. Who knows what's just underneath the surface. But yeah, that's definitely a soft spot right there. Look at that. So maybe I'll dig right there. It could be the exact same spot where I dug last time. That's probably why it's so soft. Well, folks, I've not gone very deep at all, and I've already pulled some stuff out. As I put my probe through a cut bone. But right now I've got, let's get out this, there you go. Part of a crock lid, piece of pottery, or china should I say. Where'd it go? Had a, oh, there's a 380, who knows how old that is. And a lump of coal. So, anyway, interesting. Like I said, that's all I've done so far. I'm going to run the metal detector over this real quick, see if there's anything I've missed, and then I'm going to keep just probing until I hear a tink, because that's how I found that stuff. Hopefully I can find the rest of that and I can glue it all back together again. That would be awesome. So anyway, keep it posted. Well, nothing to write home about really out of this hole, other than those pieces that I found there. Part of a pot lid, piece of pottery, again more pieces of coal, and a iron spike. But I did just find this. It says perilla, so I'll have to look that up when I get back. But this I'll keep for sure. I'll take this back with me because it's got a name on it. So cool. All right, I'm gonna probably close this hole up and move a little bit and start another one. Talk to you in a little bit. See you. Bye. Okay, so I moved from just over there, filled my hole in, and I started probing around. I got a deep, I mean, it went straight down right there. But I'm listening for, you know, sounds and stuff, because I don't have anything on the bottom to tell me the different types of ground underneath. And I got a tink, and I've pulled this out so far. Interesting design on it. I got no idea of the date. My phone's blowing up because I'm sure my buddy in California is identifying this for me right now. So anyway, yeah, I'm gonna keep rooting around here. Of course, this is the one day I didn't bring a sieve with me, nor did I bring a hand tool. Go figure. Well done. So, but we'll keep looking, and I'll see if I can pull any more of this plate out. Hopefully I can find the whole plate and I can glue it all back together again, because that's what I enjoy doing. Okay, real quick, I'm just gonna run my machine over what I've dug so far. That's iron. Yeah, nothing yet. All right, let's keep looking to see if I can find more of that plate. Well, not much else to come out of this hole. Oh, better not lose that piece. That might be part of it too. So I'm just going to take that white and blue back and see if I can glue it together. A buddy of mine in California, I sent a picture of him. He says it looks like it's 1890s Chinese. I don't know what that is. It's got iron. Huh. Anyway, you can see the ash layer right there, right about there, right above the shadow. So right about there's an ash layer, and underneath it pretty much there's nothing. So everything's at that level. So I might dig another hole. I'm interested to see what's over here as to why this went all the way in. I doubt it's a privy hole here though, but who knows what else is out here. I wish I could get an excavator in here, or at least a bobcat with a blade, and just shovel off about 6-inch trench just for shits and giggles, if you know what I mean. Anyway, all right, so I'm probably going to just metal detect this real quick, see if there's anything here I may have missed, fill it back in, and then move on to another spot. Talk to you in a little bit. There you go. Well, it might only be a slick, but it's my first bottle for today and I'll take it. It's a small medicine bottle. Right. I'm guessing probably 1890s. So, but I'll take it, you know? That's cool. That's cool. And it looks like I got some mud on the screen. All right, I'll fix that for the next shot. Okay, so I got that slick. It's in my bag right now. And now I've got another bottle right here. I'm gonna guess it's probably a medicine. Don't know if you can see it in the shadow there, but it is in there, trust me. So I'm gonna dig that out and we'll see what we find. Oh, this is exciting. Well, for me it's exciting. I know for you major bottle diggers out there, they're probably like, ooh, whatever. Still, that is a whiskey flask. And right now, it looks like it might be complete. So, there's the bottle, the neck's right here. So, fingers crossed. I'm gonna move this part right here away so I can lift it right out. All right, folks, well, I've got it free. So let's see what we got here. And it is complete. It's a slick, but it's a whiskey bottle, complete whiskey bottle. And I tell you right now, I don't care if that's 1890s or not. I am very happy with that. It looks like it's got part of the paper label still on it. Maybe, I don't know, but that's cool. Exciting. So, 2 bottles already. On my first time out this year. Well, hopefully this is the way the rest of the year is going to be. Anyway, I'm going to secure this and see what else is in here. Talk to you in a little bit. Oh, I forgot to add, I did find a horseshoe. So that will go to the property owner because that's what he likes to keep. So I'll take that to him here in a couple of days once I knock some of this rust off. Cool. Anyway, there's the hole. I'm going to probe around a little bit, see if I can find anything else. Run the metal detector over the dirt and then I'll fill it back in. And then I might try one more hole and then we'll call it a day. All right, folks. Well, I'm done. I'm going to head home now. I'll clean up what I took home with me and I'll take some photographs. And then I'll leave some photographs I took out here in the field. I'll put them at the end of this video too. Hope you enjoyed it. This was more of a just want to get out the house moment. And I'm glad I did it. I'm glad that we have soil out here that is not completely frozen. And the fact that we are now into the entering the second week of January, there's hope that it won't freeze. So fingers crossed, come back out here and do a little bit more digging later on in the week, hopefully. Anyway, talk to you later and happy hunting and good luck. See ya, bye. It's all fun and games until you realize you dropped a glove somewhere. Let's hope I find it. It's a good set of gloves. There's a little bugger. Get away from me, will you? Actually, these are good gloves. That's why I went back for it. They're called Max's. I can't remember the maker's name. I'll have to look it up, but I'll put a link in the bottom of the video. Totally unsolicited unsolicited plug here. These gloves keep your hands warm, they're waterproof. I've had no issue today rummaging around this dirt and snow with these on. So again, Max, let's get in the sunlight here. There we go, over here. So there you go, Max gloves. Highly recommend them. They're like 30 bucks or something like that. I can't remember, 30, 40 bucks. But worth their weight in gold. And Mrs. H actually got these for me for my birthday. For oh, check that out. That's cool. Squirrel. Got them for my birthday. So when I go prospecting, I can keep my hands dry. So there you go, there's your plug. Okay folks, we'll talk to you in a little bit. See you, bye.